Being royalty is a heavy burden, but with some foam, gemstones, and 3D fabric paint, you can easily make a lightweight crown that'll lessen the load. For the rest of the supplies, check the description below. Now let's get cracking on this fully customizable crown. The first thing you have to do is measure your head for the length of your crown. Wrap measuring tape around your head right above your ears. I like to add another inch or half an inch, just in case I want it to rest on my ears. It's up to you how you want it to fit. Next, you'll need to find or make a template. Whatever you end up using, resize it to the length of your head. You may need to split it up into halves so that it could fit on the paper. Also, make sure the ends of your crown pattern evenly match up. Tape the two halves together and trace it out on 2mm EVA foam. Using an X-Acto knife, cut out all of your foam pieces. Next, we'll need to glue the two pieces together. Barge cement glue is the best glue for sticking together EVA foam. To apply the glue, I like to use a little piece of foam. Put a thin layer of glue on the piece itself and where it'll be sticking to. Then, use a hairdryer or heat gun to semi-dry the glue. Attach the two halves of the crown together. Now with the crown as one piece, we can evenly sand it with the Dremel. Sanding always gives your pieces a smoother finish. Take your foam piece and sand the edge at a 90-degree angle. The edges should look more rounded. Next, we're going to create etched metal using 3D fabric paint. To make it easier, draw your designs on the crown and where you plan on putting the gemstones. With the 3D fabric paint, trace over your designs. You're looking to make thick lines that pop out from the crown. It'll take about 4 hours to dry and harden. When that's done, it's time to prep the crown for painting. Plasti-Dip helps harden the foam so that the paint doesn't get absorbed into it. It basically gives it a base coat. I usually apply 2 coats just in case I missed any spots. For the spray paint, I used Rust-Oleum's metallic spray paint. It's up to you whether you'd want it gold or silver. Spray on 1 coat and then wait 10 minutes to spray on the next. Then wait an hour for the spray paint to fully dry. After that, we'll need to seal the paint. For this, I usually use some Pledge floor cleaner, but you can probably use a clear coat spray that works with Rust-Oleum. Either way, put on 1 coat of sealer and let it dry for an hour or so. Now, we can finally decorate the crown with gemstones. I found some nice gemstones from Recollections and Creatology that have a variety of styles, shapes, and colors. Even though some of the gemstones I used were peel and stick, I used barge cement glue to give it some extra adhesion. Attach the gemstones to your crown. And then you're ready to rule your kingdom with some new bling. Let us know in the comments below how your crowns turned out and what other cosplays you'd like to see. If this video helped, please give us a like, and if you're looking for more cosplay how-tos or learn something new and entirely different, be sure to check out our how-to hub and subscribe. Your next project might be right here. Well, I think I'm going to make tiaras next, so I'll catch you guys later. Those are definitely much smaller, but you can play around with the gemstones and the different shapes and colors, so